I bought a cooling fan for my laptop, sometimes known as a cooler pad. It is a Nubwo Shiron NF-211, and I bought this from Lazada online, and I paid about 250 baht, and that includes shipping, which is about $8 US. And we're going to take it out of the box and we're going to set it up. And here's the back of the box, and you can see some of the specifications, and I will leave a link to their official website and you can read more information there. Now, to adjust it, you gently lift this top part here, and there's a small rack, and you can choose the elevation of your laptop. And of course it's going to be placed like this, and your laptop will go like this. We're going to leave it at the lowest elevation for right now and set it up and see what it looks like. And now we're going to set it up on my laptop. And it has a little flap that you pull up so that it does not fall off. And here is the cable that you attach to your USB port. I was concerned that the cable might not be long enough, but it's just long enough to reach my USB port. I'm going to lift up my laptop so you can get a view of what it looks like. On the box here it says control button and power light and adjustable speed. I haven't been able to find any of that. I'll keep looking for that. And if you have both of your USB ports used on the left hand side, you run into a bit of a problem over here in that the fan will be hooked up to one of your USB ports and it interferes with your mouse. That's definitely a major or minor drawback depending upon your situation. There is almost no sound from the fan. It is really quiet, I must say that. I really miss that there is no on-off switch on the fan itself, because I often like to put my computer into sleep mode rather than shut down altogether. And when you put a Windows 10 machine, and I believe this is the same for Windows 7, into the sleep mode, there is still power going to the USB port, and so the fan remains on, and that's sort of a waste of electricity. Now, if you put your computer into hibernate mode, then there is no power going to the USB ports and the fan does shut down. But if there was an on-off switch on the fan itself, this would not be an issue. And granted, this is as much an issue with the Windows operating system as with the cooling fan itself. But I just thought I'd mention this. I've been using this cooling pad for about a week now, and here is my assessment. It's hard to determine exactly how well it actually cools my laptop because I do not have a CPU heat monitoring program installed, and to really test this fan you would need to record your temperature before installing the fan and after installing the fan, and I haven't done that. Unfortunately, my laptop still overheats and crashes when I play Roblox or similar CPU intensive programs. So don't expect this fan to solve your major computer overheating problems. I don't think it was designed to do that. But it does seem to allow me to run my computer longer when I run regular programs such as browsers and word processing software. Now, things that I like. It's inexpensive. It's very quiet. It's lightweight. There was no assembly required. Now, things that I don't like. There is no on-off switch, and for me, this is the biggest drawback. In the future, I would only purchase a fan that had this option. The fans are not especially strong. As I mentioned, this is not going to sufficiently cool a CPU when playing heat-generating games. No adjustable fan speed. No cable that you can directly hook up to an AC power plug. The blue lights can be annoying if someone is sitting adjacent to you at an exact angle where the blue light strikes. There were no instructions or manual included in the box that I received. So my overall conclusion would be a thumbs sideways. It works fine for the price and is probably sufficient for most people's laptop cooling pad needs, but don't expect it to solve any major CPU overheating issues caused by online gaming sites such as Roblox or when playing graphically intensive games installed on your computer's hard drive. If that's your intention, I suggest you choose a device with a much stronger fan. If you are using this cooling pad, please leave a comment below and let me know how you are enjoying it. See you next time! Be sure and check out all my gardening videos from my gardening playlist, as well as my computer tutorial videos and general interest videos. See you next time!